First, I start the Eiffel program, and then, once running, I use the button on the breadboard to tap out the dots and dashes. Dots are about 120,000 nanoseconds, while dashes are about 360,000 nanoseconds. The system is not perfectly precise, but it is good enough to demonstrate a practical application of the electronics mixed with software responses. This is now my second project using Eiffel Studio on a Raspberry Pi 4, where Eiffel code is reading from and writing to the GPIO pins. In turn, this allows the software to control the electronics, such as lighting up the LED. It also allows the electronics to control the software, such as pressing the button to tell the software when to light up the LED.